Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to track your order in Temu. The first thing I want you to do is just launch the Temu app. Come to the bottom right, click on your profile icon where it says you, and you'll be redirected to this page. And then here, I want you to click on your orders. And after you click on this, you'll be on this page. You'll see all your orders here under this section. Just tap on any order you want to track. So we'll tap on this one. And then here, you'll see that it has been shipped. And if we come down here, you'll see we have a tracking number. So this one is a USPS. So you can click here on track, right? And you can just scroll down. You can just copy this tracking number, go to the USPS website, paste that in. You can track there directly as well. Or here on the website as well, or the app on Temu, you can see the current status. As you can see, order has actually been shipped, and then expected time right here. As you can see, it should come to us. So this was submitted and now it has finally been shipped, and we're expecting delivery by December 15th to 23rd. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.